how to dim and remove the dim wallpaper from always on display on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove the little dim wallpaper from your always on display on iPhone. Now even if this is AOD, this is my lock screen and this is my AOD, you can see a very dim wallpaper because this is not completely like an always on display, right? It just dims the wallpaper. Maybe you only want the clock and you don't like having the wallpaper there. What you need to do is open up settings and first of all just make sure that you are updated to the latest iOS version, because previously Apple didn't have this option, but on the recent update now they do have this option, right? So what you want to do after that is you want to simply come here and then just go to this option over here known as display and brightness. Under display and brightness, go to an option called always on display and then tap on it, and then just turn off this option right here known as show wallpaper. So when you turn off this toggle, this particular option is going to get turned off. Next time in your always on display, you'll only see the text and you will not be able to find any sort of dim wallpaper as well. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.